OBDSTAR P50 Pinout to Toyota Airbag 89170-52F40. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. If you're trying to reset the Toyota Airbag 89170-52F40 module using the OBDSTAR P50, but the wiring pinout isn't matching the airbag module and your device is out of subscription, here's a step-by-step guide and solution to help. OBDSTAR P50 pinout for Toyota Airbag 89170-52F40 SRS module. Solution overview. The pinout for the Toyota Airbag 89170-52F40 module has been updated in the OBDSTAR P50 Airbag Reset tool. If your device subscription has expired and you can't access the updates, you may need to renew your subscription to access the latest pinout instructions. However, here's a general process for working with the P50 and the Toyota Airbag module. Steps to follow. 1. Update P50 software subscription. Renew your OBDSTAR P50 subscription to ensure you have access to the latest pinouts and software updates. The updated pinout for the Toyota 89170-52F40 module should be available once the software is up to date. Check for updates at the official OBDSTAR platform. 2. Pinout instructions. Follow the specific instructions provided by the P50 tool for connecting the airbag module. The steps typically include the following actions. Backup flash memory from the airbag module. Erase crash data after writing the flash. Write new flash data to the module. Weld a 10 ohm resistor to the specified position to help with crash data removal. 3. Detailed pinout and wiring process. Back up the flash. Always back up the flash memory before performing any operations. This step ensures you have a copy of the original data. Erase crash data. The P50 will guide you through erasing the crash data stored in the airbag module. Write flash. It may take longer to write flash on Renesas MCUs, which is normal. Be patient while the P50 performs this task. Weld the resistor. You will need to weld a 10 ohm resistor in a specific position on the module. Follow the P50's prompts for where and how to place the resistor. Clear diagnostic trouble codes, DDCs, once the crash data is erased. Use the P50 to erase any DDCs. 4. Post-repair steps. After completing the flash process and erasing crash data, remove the welded resistor and restore the module to its original state. Verify that the airbag module is functioning properly and that no DDCs remain in the system. Important notes. Subscription expiry. Always ensure your P50 device is up to date to avoid compatibility or pinout issues. Without the latest software, you may not have access to the updated pinouts for newer modules. Renesas MCU programming. Writing flash to Renesas MCUs can take some time. This is typical and not an indication of an error, so ensure that you give it sufficient time to complete. By following these steps and renewing your software subscription, you can correctly reset the Toyota Airbag 89170-52F40 module with the OBDSTAR P50 tool. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.